Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to grow strawberries from seeds. Alright. So I have my So Easy strawberries. They're from Fairy Morse. I do have some fertilizer. These are slow release, 10, 20, 20. You can use any fertilizer you want. For me, I keep them in a Ziploc bag just like this so that they stay fresh. See? So right now I have a pot. I do have some strawberries planted already. So the first thing you gotta do is you've got to put some slow release fertilizer in here. Dig it down, mix it up. I was recommended that you use some slow release fertilizer, as strawberries love to eat. That's a tip for you guys. If you guys do that, you guys will have successful strawberries and you'll grow a lot. Now let's keep this simple, guys. So I'm going to take my strawberry right here. I'm just going to sprinkle some seeds in here. And after they grow, I will let you guys know how they do. Check this out. Sprinkle some. They look cool. They're a little pink. Just a couple for now. Then after they grow, we can transplant them into another container and split them up, but that's all you got to do. Then I'll just take some soil right here. Sprinkle it up. My soil's all moist already. And I'm just going to pat this down. So all you got to do, keep this in a well-lit place. Not too much in the sun yet because they're just brand new. And we'll see in about a week or two. I will give you an update on these strawberries, and we'll see how they do. But once again, make sure they're wet, fertilize them, and have a good time there with that, guys. And I'm growing this in a 5-gallon container with a little container at the bottom with water so that it doesn't dry out. Alright guys, want to check out my other strawberries over here. They are growing great. Alright guys, if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, support me, and let me know what else you want to see, and check out all my other videos on my channel. Thanks guys.